So hi friends, this particular video you will be learning how to install WordPress on Windows machine. In fact, there is a very simple procedure for this. It's not so complicated, only 3 steps procedure. First step, you need to download this WordPress. Second, we need to download Jamp. That's all. So where we can able to download. So if I go to Google, if you type Jamp download, it will directly take me to Apache friends. It means it's a official website where you can able to download Jamp. Here you click on this download button. It is 105 MB actually, probably it will take 5 minutes. So second, we need to download WordPress. So you need to download WordPress from wordpress.org. So that is an official website actually. So simply type WordPress. So here second button, this. So if I click on this, directly it will take me to official website. Here you can download this. It is a 8 MB. Now already I have downloaded. If you go to my C drive downloads folder, see, this is my WordPress, sorry, Jamp. This is my WordPress. So once the download is completed, we need to extract this folder WordPress. This we need to install. So installation is very simple. Click next, finish. It don't take much time. You don't need to configure any settings. So after extraction is completed, it will give you another folder, this. Okay, so this is called most important components of WordPress. Simply, you can simply copy this. You need to go to our folder, see where which you have installed Jamp. So here Jamp, inside there is a root folder. htdocs is a root folder. Especially I'm talking about Jamp. In case if you have a different server, it may be MAMP or WAMP, the root folder might be different. So here htdocs is a root folder, especially in Jamp. So here you create another folder called any website. At this time I'll say my site. Inside I'll paste all files. Okay, simple. So after that you need to create a database. So in order to create a database, you need to start MySQL server, because you need to create a database. So how we can able to do that? Here very simple thing, go to same drive. Here there is an option called control panel, Jamp control panel. If I double click on this, here it will pop up a small window. This is called Jamp control panel, current version 3.2.0. to click on this start button, Apache MySQL. MySQL is a database server. This is a PHP server or web server, we can say. So once this services has been started, even if you close, nothing will happen, because here already it is running. So take another screen. You open any browser, it may be Firefox or Chrome or anything. Simply type localhost, say enter. So automatically it will pop up this screen. It means everything has been successfully installed. So here we need to install WordPress. So where I have pasted all my files inside htdocs, it means localhost is nothing but it will take me to htdocs. Inside there is a folder called my site. If I say enter, directly it will take me to this configuration. Here say continue. It is asking database name. So you need to have name for your database. Second, username for your database. Third, password for your database. And where you need to install this WordPress, because I'm installing this WordPress in my local computer, not in a remote computer. Remote computer in a sense, it may be on a real server, we can say. Fine. So here I need a database name at this moment. So how we can able to create? First, in order to get a database name, you need to create database, as simple as that. So go to localhost. There is a another screen, or PHP myadmin. You can say here PHP myadmin. If you type localhost PHP myadmin, this is a URL. It will take me to this dashboard. Basically this dashboard, technically we will call it as a PHP myadmin dashboard. Here there is an icon called dashboard, sorry, databases. If I click on this database, you can give any name for your database. Here already we have some database for test, PHP myadmin and all, but we don't want to use all these databases. Create your own database, MyDB, otherwise my site, because I have my site, otherwise MyDB. whatever it is, my db. Say create. That's it. Finish. So already database has been created. So what we need to do, because it is asking database, already I have created database. So what is second step? Database username. So by default, um, every MySQL databases will have a username root, password null. Okay, so in case if I say let's go, here it is asking database name. Already I have created database. What is the database? See here, if I go to again databases, here database, see all databases already listed, but this is the database which I have created like few seconds back, MyDB. It means you need to enter database name MyDB. Okay, username root. Okay, this is because this is a standard username by default in MySQL, so you need to give root. This should be mandatory root. In case if you want to change, you can change, but by default password for your MySQL databases is root. Password by default, there is no password for MySQL database. You need to install this database in a local computer. So table prefix, by default it will take WP. It stands for WordPress. Say submit. So it is asking run installation. So it will take me hardly 3 to 4 seconds to install. But here site title, so you can say anything. Say for example my site is SEO skills, otherwise your site name, I'll say SEO skills only, or all tech skills. I have 2 websites, I'll take SEO skills. Admin username. Here you need to create another password, admin. This is for login purpose. So here it is asking, this is a very weak password. Say confirm, no issues, because I'm not creating a passwords for real websites. Fine. So here opalravi@gmail.com, you can give any name, because it's very important. If you forget your password in future, directly they will send a reset link to this email ID. It's kind of admin password, you can say, sorry, admin email. So you need to uncheck this, because by default if I select this, Google crawlers, they will crawl this website and it will listed, or it will be indexed in their search. So I don't want to do that. So simply say install. That's it. So it will take hardly 2 to 3 seconds, not even 10 minutes or something. It will install. So here you see there is a wheel is continuously rotating. It means it's installing. See, it's already installed. Say click on the login. Success. So here admin password. If I click on this login, it will take me to WordPress dashboard. So this is how we can install WordPress. In case still if you want step-by-step notes, directly you can go to my personal blog. This is my personal blog, alltechskills.com. Here how to install WordPress on Jam. So here I have written a small article, step-by-step procedure. So here there is a 3 steps: download Jump, download Windows, create database, then install. So how we can able to download? So download Jump from its official website, download WordPress. When installation going on, so it looks like this. So again where we need to place, this is a step-by-step screenshots. You just go through this, you will get a better idea. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay tuned. Have a great day.